And the markets decide to go bullish to start off the week. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It is Monday, December 22nd, 2014. And we have Christmas knocking at the door. Anyway, I'm hoping to get a little snow just before Christmas starts here in the Midwest. I am in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we have a pretty good chance of that happening. Taking a look here at the markets. Everybody in bullish territory. Dow doing exceptionally well, knocking at the door of 18,000. Up 0.9%. Doing the best out of all major indices. NASDAQ doing well, but not as well as the other indices, only up 0.34%. Banks, though, up 0.5%, confirming today's bullish move. VIX down 7.5%, also confirming today's bullish move. Back down around 15. Man, commodities take it on the chin. Gold off by 1.9%. Silver off by 2.6%. Crude oil dives by almost 5%. US dollar up by a fraction. We have transportation index up 1%, which really gives quite a bit of validation to how the Dow moved today. Utilities index up 0.36%. And taking a look here at the S&P 500 daily chart. We remain here in this upper wedge. It's a rising wedge here. And you can see we started rolling over by the trajectory of the red lines. And then we finally do a double top. There's your M. I'll blow this up so you can see it a little better. Up, down, up, down. You got your M right there. Double top M for murder. Crash, 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 crash. Bounce, bounce. And we go through all the major moving averages. And here we end up with almost a tweezer top. Close to a tweezer top. If you don't know what a tweezer top is, definitely go to the chart school, learn about tweezer tops. That could be a big time reversal pattern to the downside, even before it hits this trend line. Now, the benefit it has is we slightly above yesterday's or Friday's high. So it's not the perfect tweezer top, but it is close. These can be very bearish and a big drop. If we were to drop now, that means we failed to hit a resistance point, so it show relative weakness. However, if it doesn't, we start to go higher. I see this blue line as a decisive area of resistance. And that will put us at a price around 2086. 2086 will be an area of resistance on the S&P 500. Looking here at the NASDAQ. Crawling through a lot of resistance here. Let me get a horizontal trend line right there. Get this, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. And we're gonna have 47.91 as a resistance area. Be watching that. Again, that's 47.91 on the NASDAQ. Take this down, move it here. And those are the two numbers that I would be writing down. I'd write down 45.48 as a support area, 47.91 as a resistance area, and that we'll be trading between those two areas, I'm sure. I'm taking a look here at the VIX. The VIX doing a nice pullback. I mean, it's a really, really nice pullback. If you look here at a Fibonacci retracement on this daily chart on the VIX, we're well below the 61.8. So that's relative strength now. As far as the markets are concerned, I think that there's a very good chance we will not reach back up here at the 25, 26 area anytime soon. I think we might bounce a little bit, but I don't see it getting back there in the next market correction by any stretch of the imagination. Take a look here at stocks of interest. Gold had this big triangle I said be watching for. It could be a bounce or a drop. Today it dropped on big volume. Gold is a decisive sell now. You don't want to be holding gold. And when it comes to silver, what's interesting with silver, it stalled at support. Support. It stalled there. So I can't say this is a sell yet, but if it breaks down below and stays below this trend line, silver is a decisive sell. And far as tech stocks are concerned, Amazon was up more than 2%, 2.2%. Nice little pop here. Facebook was up 2%. I mean, Facebook's at an all-time record high, doing exceptionally well. And let's see here. Wow, Google up 2.4%. Oh, breaking a resistance area, gang. Big time buy opportunity here. Could be a falling wedge breakout to the upside. Be watching that. GoPro is up 7.6%. GoPro could be trying to put in a bottom here and a rally. Be interesting to see if that plays out. Taser up nearly 9%, breaking out of these recent highs on big volume, closing above $26. GoPro a buy, or I'm sorry, Taser a buy. And all these cops are saying, man, we need to put cameras. There's competitors for Taser for cameras. However, nobody has the branding like Taser does. Not yet, at least. Twitter up 3.6%. There's your double bottom W. It's kind of a falling wedge breakout in the making right now. Man, be looking for Twitter, finding a bottom here. Look for more upside potential. Hey, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Share us with a friend. We'll catch you guys later.